Good morning, students. I'm your Farzana ma'am from your school St. Joseph Public School, and hope you have opened your book to page number of your that chapter number 7, and it's your poem we have understood in our previous lecture. Now today we are going to discuss with our exercise, and the book we have to open to the page 51. Hope you have opened it. First let us start with reading these vocabularies. Dart, I explained it to you. It is to move suddenly and quickly in a particular direction. जब आप एकदम तैयार हो जाते हो अपने बाइसिकल पे और एकदम पैरों को पैडल पे जमा लेते हो और एकदम शुरू होना होता है आपको, क्योंकि जमाने के बाद आप रुक नहीं सकते. इफ़ यू वेट देन यू स्लिप ऑफ और योर वन फुट विल बी away from your pedal and you will be again taking time to start your bicycle. So once your both the feet are your feet are lifted from the ground, you have to move suddenly. So you have to dart from your area, यानी कि उधर से आपको हिलना ज़रूरी है. Okay, suddenly and quickly in a particular direction. एक ही direction में पहले move करेंगे. Delightful, very pleasant. Okay, this is very easy. Delightful means happy, very pleasant. Feathery, what do you mean by feathery? It's a soft touch, soft and delicate like feathers. Okay, heedful, aware of or attentive to something. जब आप एकदम सोच समझ के आगे बढ़ते हो, आपको सोच समझ के ही आगे बढ़ना होता है. आप जान बूझ के एकदम बिना बेतहाशा तो नहीं चलोगे. यू हैव टू टेक योर मूवमेंट ऑन द बाइसिकल विथ हीटफुल माइंड. ओके, सोच समझ के आगे बढ़ना. बी अटेंटिव. माइटी, माइटी मीन्स पावरफुल, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड पावरफुल. पॉइज्ड, इन अ पोजिशन दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली स्टिल, यानी कि आपको जब आप अपनी बाइसिकल पे टू व्हीलर्स पे बैठ जाते हो तो आपको अपने आप को इरेक्ट रखना है. कार की सीट पे भी आप ड्राइवर की सीट पे बैठोगे तभी भी आपको अपनी पोजीशन इरेक्ट रखना है. ओके, कम्प्लीटली स्टिल. देन नेक्स्ट वोकैबुलरी स्विफ्टर. स्विफ्टर मीन्स फास्ट, हैपनिंग मोर क्विकली. थ्रिलिंग, एक्साइटिंग एंड एन्जॉयबल. तो आपका जो राइडिंग रहता है वो थ्रिलिंग हो जाता है. मोर थ्रिल, मोर हैप्पी, विथ फुल ऑफ एडवेंचर. तो थ्रिलिंग का फुल ऑफ एडवेंचर भी बोल सकते हैं, विथ एन्जॉयमेंट. ओके, लेट्स गो एंड डिस्कस दीज आंसर्स. A little more of the poem. Answer the following questions. 1. How does the boy ride the bicycle? उनकी bicycle जो थी वो कैसे ride करा था उन्होंने? It was very fast. The boy is dashed speed. So वो जो उनकी speed है वो डर रहे हैं. He is afraid of. He is not afraid of or he is enjoying. Obviously he is enjoying. Okay. Yes. 3. The boys wish to, boys की जो ख्वाहिश है, जो इच्छा है उनकी, wish to dash like a bird is fulfilled. तो वो जो ऊपर आसमानों पे जो birds उड़ रहे हैं और उनको भी उड़ना है. छोटे बच्चे होते ही ऐसे ही, उनको भी उड़ना होता है. और छोटे बच्चे नहीं, हम बड़ों को भी ऐसा लगता है कि काश हम भी उड़ सकें. Okay, so here is your the boy wish to fly like a bird is fulfilled. उनकी वो इच्छा पूरी हो गई. It was fulfilled मतलब पूरी हो जाना. उनकी जो दुआ थी वो पूरी तरह ऊपर Almighty ने सुन ली. How does the boy feel? It's fourth question I am reading, children. How does the boy feel when he rides the bicycle down the hill? He is very excited, he is thrilled, he is enjoying the bicycle. You can add more feelings of yours, children, according to the poet and according to you also you can. But the boy is very excited, very thrilled in his riding the bicycle down the hill. Okay. What do these lines means? यानी कि ये जो दो लाइन है इसके मतलब समझाने हैं आपको. ओके. 5A. I am poised and down the hill. और जब वो बाइसिकल चलाना शुरू किया और वो हिल से उतर रहे थे तो उनको सतर्क रहना है. He has to keep himself erect. He has to बी वेरी वेरी मीन्स क्या रहना है उनको, अपने बॉडी को एकदम उस पोजीशन में रखना है कि वो बाइसिकल चलाते वक्त अपनी बॉडी पूरी पीठ उनकी सीधी रहे, इधर उधर नाच के वो डाउन द हिल नहीं उतर सकते. या व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग अ बाइसिकल on a plain road, you can move your body, you can dance around, but that is also too dangerous. तो poised का मतलब है you have to keep your body still, erect and straight also you can use the word when this bicycle is move from down the hill. यानी कि ऊपर से नीचे आप जब व्हीकल चलाते हो तो आपकी बॉडी एकदम स्टिल रहनी चाहिए, पॉइज्ड रहनी चाहिए. बी, makes the lungs laugh, the throat cry. So when you are riding the bicycle with its full speed and it's touching to the sky, यानी कि वो जो touching the breeze, or when you are talking to the wind when you are riding a bicycle, that means जब हवा से बातें करते हैं, when you are going cutting down the air, the breeze with your full speed of your riding the bicycle, what happens to you in your throat? You start yelling, you start crying loudly. Cry मतलब रोना नहीं, shouting है इसका मतलब. और इतनी ज़ोर ज़ोर से आप चिल्लाने लगते हो, हंसने लगते हो. You are feeling happy moments, you are feeling these moments are really very enjoyable moments. And आपके वो moments जो हैं आपके lungs तक पहुँच रहे हैं, आपकी जो हवा जो है lungs तक चली गई है, अंदर भर गई है हवा, और आपके जो थ्रोट में से एक चीख निकल रही है. इट्स क्राइंग, द शाउटिंग वॉइस इज बीइंग मूविंग आउट फ्रॉम योर थ्रोट. ओके, देन कम्स नेक्स्ट इज 6. फॉर अ गोल्डन मोमेंट शेयर योर feathery life in air. Now you have to, what they are asking in this. A, what does the poet describes as a golden moment? वो गोल्डन मोमेंट किसके लिए वो डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं पोएट. सो द पोएट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग दिस मोमेंट when his speed is very fast and he is comparing himself with the birds flying in the air. So that moment of comparing himself with the birds flying in the air as if he is also flying, उनको वो लम्हा जो ऐसा लग रहा है that he is feeling that even he is flying in the air. So that moment of touching the air into the full speed and breaking this air into a very torrent way, एकदम gushful way में वो बेतहाशा राइड कर रहे हैं. he is riding it very in a very you can say high speed. So that high speed moment when he is comparing himself with the birds fly, that moment is the golden. गोल्डन मतलब बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट मोमेंट है उनके लाइफ का, बहुत ही प्रेशियस मोमेंट है उनके लाइफ का. तो प्रेशियस मोमेंट को उन्होंने गोल्डन लम्हा बोल दिया. ओके, यस. व्हाई डज ही डू सो? इन्होंने ये जो मोमेंट को गोल्डन क्यों बोला है? बिकॉज वो जो मोमेंट है वो उन्होंने बहुत सालों से शायद विश किया होगा. ही हैड विश्ड this moment to come in his life to ride the bicycle very fast, and this his wish came through, and because his wish came through he is doing it in reality. That moment is said to be the golden moment in his life. क्या पता वो आगे फिर ऐसी स्पीड में चला पाएंगे कि नहीं, वो लम्हा उनको फिर से मिलेगा कि नहीं. will he get that moment back again to ride the bicycle so fast? So he gave that moment as a very important golden moment. Moment मतलब लम्हा, पल. Yes. 7. Complete the pairs of rhyming words from the poem and add one more to it on your own. One is done for you. So still, hill, bill is there. Let's go back to the poem and you will come to know from where I am taking. See children, this part which I will just do 2 with you. You are going to do the 3 rest. Okay. So over here you have your mind. So go back and can you see it's on the first 2 lines, last words over here. I am searching my cursor here. Still hill is given in the example, and here wind, mind, and one more you are going to write of your own. and which is the next. I will turn the page again, children. Swift. So, for your swift you have your lift, and one more you are going to give from your side. So, swift, lift, then you have joy, boy, then you have your cry, fly, okay, and you can say cry, fry याद आ रहा है मुझे. So, I will give you the third of my own. Cry, fry, fry is from the poem. Is it from the poem? No, it is just now I thought of. So, here from the poem is this fly. Cry, fly, fry. You can write anything anywhere, okay. So, you are going to get this work done. Mind, wind, and one more from your side, okay. Swift, lift is written na in your poem. Yes, lift. My writing is going very awkward, okay. Yes, what is the meaning over here, what they are telling us to do? It's the exercise is actually on next page. Synonyms are the words which have similar meanings. For example, mighty, powerful. So, synonyms के दूसरे words होते हैं but meaning same होता है. Let's see what they are telling us to do in this exercise. What you are going to do? Open your dictionary and find the rhyming words. Okay, now write words from the poem having similar meanings to the following words. Okay, so this you are going to do, children. I am not going to help at all. I will stop over here. This will be your homework. It's your homework, children. Only this, that is your A, B and C as your homework. Okay, children, you are going to share your answers with me. This is your homework area. You are going to write this and send it to me, your answers. Till then, children, you are going to keep your record of your learning. Soon your exams are approaching, your pre-midterm is approaching. Hope you have sat down to study your lessons, okay, and you are ready with your by-hearting the poems also. Yes, children. Bye.